Hi everybody, how are you? Everybody's fine. Welcome again in this new video, which will be about special repair. I don't do in fact like these repairs, so it's about power bank. This is a power bank, and the problem with this power bank is that this button no longer functioning. So this power bank has a torch, or how that is pronounced in English, torch. I think torch. You can check that in Google. Why not? Just give me a moment. So in French it's torche. Let's translate. It gives us torch to English, which is spelled like Torch.
Torch.
Torch, yes, okay, which simply means light. So we can use this as a to light in darkness. Here's the USB ports for charging our devices. This usually is a LED, which can be, if it's a LED, it will only be for showing the percentage of the charging of the battery, and that's all. So, and what's amazing about this one is that it looks hard to be disassembled or taken apart. The owners have already tried to do that. In fact, I won't accept like these repairs in my shop, but when it's about something which I have never seen, or something that it's, for example, hard to open, and even more than that, if it's from somebody whom I can't say no. In our case, it's an old woman, and she begged me to check if I can repair this. She said that her big son has tried to open it, but he didn't manage, and he just asked her or tells her to bring it to a repair shop. Maybe there will be a solution. So we have to check what's wrong with the button, but it's not that the issue. The issue is to open this power bank. I have warned the woman, and I said that it may look not that beautiful after opening it, especially if it's glued. And she simply replied that it doesn't matter. What matters is that this power bank functions again. It's as she said, it's a really good power bank, and I think she's right on that. It looks a good one. So this is a power bank model PB115. Let me zoom for you so that you can see it yourself. Writings are not showing clearly. PB115, 3000 milli, 13,000, 3 volt, 2.7 volt, 111 watts per hour. If I understood exactly the specs, that's what it says. Input, we have 5 volt, we have 5 volts, which means 2 input of 5 volt. We have one output of 5 volt to ohms, another output of 5 volt to ohms, and serial number. So let's check if we can open this one, and I think we can open it. I have no idea from where, but it looks like we can do that from here. Neither we can do that from here, otherwise, unless if the battery comes like this with the board, but I don't think that, because how about this handle? So what do you think? I don't think so. I think it will be from here, and I don't also think that it's glued. I don't think it's glued, but anyway, let's see. So see if we can do something. In fact, this can go through here, but why the guy trying to open it hesitates to do that? But anyway, even if he opened it, he will need other tools to repair this. So it can be opened from here. Yes, looks like not glued. Yes, not glued. So it's just clips. Yes, and I really dislike these plastic clips because they often broke, and we can help to avoid that. No one can avoid breaking those clips, so we just have to do it in a dodgy style. I hope I have said something wrong. Really didn't like the last word I used, because I have seen some guys joking about that word in Discord, and I hope it's not that bad. Anyway, for English speakers, do forgive me. I am not an English native speaker, so, and I don't usually use, not usually, I don't use at all bad words in my life. I try not all my life. I used to be like but that's in my youth, and from 26 or 25 years old, I didn't I try to avoid using bad words, so it's not cool to be used to use bad words. Okay, here we have this opened. So these are lids. Okay, and here we have, so as it looks here, this piece of plastic is just pushing the power button, which is on this small board here. So let's zoom again. This, pay attention with power banks. If you short something inside, it will be a bad thing. See, so this normally is a piece of plastic that's pushing the power button, which from what I understood from here, it's on this here, and here are the pins with which it's fixed on the board. And if it's only fixed with those two pins, it's not that solid one, so it's normal that it may broke one day. Let's see how it looks. So pay attention with, oh yes, we have two screws here. Sorry, screw first. Have to pay attention. This is a powerful battery. I have to short things here. Okay, let's see. Yes, easy to get out from here. And yes, the power button there, and it's pulled out from the, in fact there's other pins here from this side. These are some pins from here, others from here. It makes it 4 pins, but it's not that solid, in fact. So we will try to see how we can fix this. Let me zoom for you so that you can see how it looks here. Okay, you see here, power button, so it's pulled out or up from the board. Should be like this, but now it's like this. So we have to solder it back, and I think as it's fixed with the other 2 pins, I think it may work. It's just that this piece of plastic from here no longer can press on it as it's pulled up from the board. Let's check. Yes, we have 49 here, which means 49%. You can't see. Let me do this. Okay, let me switch off the light. So you can see that 49, you can see it. So you can see it. What if I zoom out? Yes, you can see it. So it looks like a LED, but it's 49 in fact. And now you can see the LEDs, so 3-digit display there, which displays 3 digits, which can display 100%. So again, let's, yes, 49%. Okay, we will have to solder this back its place, and things will be good. So let me just check. Yes, we can solder that back, but do we need to take out? No, we don't need. I think we don't need. Just power the soldering iron. Let's switch the, and how the torch or the light can be powered off. Let me check what's written here. You can see it's not that clear, and it's small items, and it's in 2 languages. I think here we have written Nates Belgi, and in English it says long press the button for 3 seconds to turn on or off the light. Here tear the label off after knowing it. Haha, interesting. Why? Why not just keep the label there? Why we have to tear it? Should it is it hiding something? I don't know. Anyway, I won't do anything of that. It's not mine. Alright to do that, so let's keep label where it is. And for flags, I usually don't use flags in directly on boards like this. When it's a small area to work on, I just do this. So I come with children and inside this tube here we have flags. This, that's what I usually do. So we have, maybe to be safe, I have to take off this wire minus. Yes, I have to do that. Okay. Yes, I have to do that. So off. Yes. Oh, or even let's take both of them. Now we are fine. Yeah. Work easily on this one. Why? We have this lid here. We can put it like this. So let's come out. This. And okay, come out again. So I will do this. Pour this out. I will put it like this. I have this lid there, so I have to put it like this. Why? I will know why I did this. This is why I did this. So check if I can do it this side. Pay attention, not break something. That's fine. Nothing to worry about. Let's just the power button. Okay. Press and solder. It's fine. The other side. As I said, this button is designed in a way that it's not that solid, but normally should have been done better than this, but nothing to be done now. Already done as it is, so we have to do with what we have here. And if and even if you want to change the button, you have to order and if you change it, it will be the same thing. So you have to change it with the big one, and it should be no, you have to put outside here and make it a big button which can resist for a long time. But anyway, now it's soldered back and it looks fine. Okay, let's zoom for you. Let's put back the wires, so it goes like this. We have the plus here, anyway it's marked B plus and here B minus, otherwise you have to pay attention where putting your wires, so don't reverse the plus and minus, or and you can't do that if you pay attention, because you have to have the lids like this facing you. So that simply means that the red wire should go here and the black one to this side. Okay, let's solder back. Want this, I have to hold it with tweezer. I solder this. That's it, perfect for the red one, the black one. Perfect. Check. Yes, it's on. Check for the light. Yes, you have, for the light we have to, for the torch we have to press and hold, press in the power button for 3 seconds. Again, long press to make it off. Now we have 50. Why? Before we have 49. If it's that percentage of the charger, the battery charge, why does it go up? We haven't applied any external power. Okay, it doesn't matter. Job is done. Let's back the board in its place. We got some resistance this time, not like pulling it out. Now that's perfect. It's okay. Where are those screws? This one. Pay attention. The screws shouldn't dropped side. Pay attention not to drop any screw in like these powerful power banks. So I am very happy. It's a quick fix and happy for the woman. I know it will be happy of this one fixed. Let's again press 49. Now you can see 49. Now you can see it as now the light is filtered via this interface here, so it's 49. And let's press for 3 seconds. We have the torch on. Close. That's really fine. So what's left? To close the case, and job is done successfully. I hope you learned something in this video, and we came to the end of this one, and see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.